Kayla, and I'm the Content and Creative Manager here at GoWay Travel, and I direct all of our social media channels. I'm here today to share some social media best practices with you to help you in your travel business. Number 1, which social media platforms are most effective for reaching my travel clients and why? Start with Facebook and Instagram. There, you can share simple static image content, and there's no need for graphic design or photography skills. Facebook is a great platform to target 25 to 44-year-olds, while Instagram is skewed a bit younger in age ranges at 18 to 34-year-olds. Number 2, what type of content should I create to inspire and engage travelers? Test different content formats such as photos, carousels, videos, stories, and if you're up for it, live Q&As. Try posting about different topics such as destination highlights, travel tips, and customer testimonials. Get creative with catchy hooks to engage your audience, or even try creating a content series. Think of content that will resonate with your travel-loving audience and provide value to them. Build a catalog of content that showcases your expertise. By consistently posting this type of content, you can build a travel-loving community and attract bookings. A great guideline to follow when coming up with content ideas is the 3 E's: educate, empower, and entertain. Make sure that your piece of content does at least one of these things. You should always create content with your audience's point of view in mind. What would they find interesting about a destination? What questions can you answer for them? And how can you help them show that they can rely on you for their travel needs? Number 3, how can I measure the success of my social media campaigns and know if my efforts are working? It's important to track metrics like engagement, likes, comments, shares, impressions, website clicks, and audience growth. And remember this: social media can contribute to your overall sales, but at the end of the day, it is an awareness tool. Number 4, how do I grow an engaged community and turn followers into loyal travel clients? My top tip is consistency. Stay consistent in how often you post. Create a schedule and stick to it, even if it's just once a week to begin with. Think of quality over quantity and get yourself into a routine of posting regularly. Think of social media as the top of the marketing funnel. It's a wide net to capture attention, and the bottom of the funnel is the conversion of sale. It takes consistent nurturing over time to get someone to consider using your service and make it to the last step of conversion. You want to hit them with constant reminders of you, your business, and the service you have to offer. When your clients think of travel, you want them to think of you first. Number 5, what are the latest trends or algorithm changes in social media that I should be aware of as a travel agent? Social media is always changing, and so are the algorithms. If the algorithm believes your content is valuable, it will continue to push it to more people. There are a few ways to hack the algorithm and get it to work for you and your content. Number 1, use keywords in all your posts. Think of it like SEO, search engine optimization. Search for keywords in your niche and study viral content that relates to this. Use these words in your own content so that it will be more likely to display on someone's explore page or search. No need for hashtags. The keyword itself in your caption is the best practice these days. Number 2, nail your hook. Get your viewer to continue reading or watching. People scroll so fast these days, so the first 3 seconds need to be the most intriguing. Number 3, optimize your watch and impression time. The longer people stay on your post to read or watch it, the better your post will perform. Include an on-screen CTA, call to action, that leads viewers to your caption, where you hook them with a compelling story or facts. Based on the current algorithm, replay value and shares highly contribute to your content being high value. Number 4, keep social media social. The algorithm loves to see you active. Comment on other travel community posts, send and respond to messages, and engage with content as your business. I hope you find these tips helpful. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow GoWayPro on Instagram for shareable travel content, updates, and further content inspiration. I can't wait to connect with you in the DMs.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
I'm happy with it if you are. Amazing.